There's my bike. It's locked up because I'm gonna go on a kayak adventure in the Bark River. Bark River, salute! Here's the deal. I'm trying to catch hogsuckers out of this river. And in this river are hogsuckers, but I've never caught them. I'm gonna try and catch some. There you go. First fish of the day. There's gonna be a lot of these, I'm guessing. There will be a lot of this today, but I want to get that hogsucker. Well, no hogsucker sightings here. This is their ideal territory. Oh, geez, there's carp sightings though. They like fast-moving water and gravel. And well, we caught a bluegill. All right, on the road we go. I forgot to give that fish the Bark River salute. Bluegill, this is for you. Now we're getting in the yak. There are some spots on this Bark River where there's like a lot of gravel and current. And that's where the hogsuckers are. So we're gonna go. I looked here, there's some smallmouth, but nothing exciting. No bowfin either. I caught my personal best bowfin right here. So, didn't see that. We're in the mighty Bark River. This is actually the river I grew up closest to. I grew up my tween and teenage years in Heartland, and the Bark River ran right through it. I used to catch creek chubs there a lot. So now, though, I'm further south. But look at how clear this water is. It's so pretty. It's a gravel sandy bottom. Let's hope for hogsuckers. Let's go. I see some fish. On. Yep. Oh, is he on still? Yep. Oh, bluegill. It's all right. You catching him. Bluegill. Bark River salute. There you go. All right, I just parked it for a second because I just want to show you how clear this water is. You can see all these minnows dancing around. Did you see that carp come out of nowhere? If I remember right, this corner is where I would see them, little ones at least. So I'll be on the lookout now. All right, it's time to sight fish for these big guys. Let's go. Okay, let's keep going a little bit, see if we see him. Oh, there it is. There's one. There's one. He's right up there. I'm gonna drag it right in front of him. Alright, well, I guess maybe switch to waxy just so I can see it. Let's see if there's other ones. Oh, there goes one. There's one right there. Let's get it. He's right there. Yes! 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 We got it! Nice! Yes! Hogsucker! Woo! Yes! He's too small for the net. Yes! All right, he did it. I want to get pictures of you, man. Hogsucker. Yes. Look at that. Nice. You know it. Yes. Look at this guy. Okay. They got a little bit of a black lip. Black on their lip. See that pattern on them? That's a beautiful pattern. They are so good at camouflage. Look at that's where I am. This water is so clear. It looks like I'm not even in water. But their camouflage is so good. Like, would you notice it? I just let him go and he hasn't moved. Would you notice that? Look at, there he is. That's my hogsucker. He didn't move once I let him go. There's my feet. I don't want to move right now. That's so cool. There's my kayak. There's my hogsucker. So cool. Barker salute. Hasn't moved yet. He's still right there. He's still right there. You see him? Let's go. Here's the setup, people. Just a wax worm on a size 10 Aberdeen hook. I had to put the sinker closer to it because I sight fished for it. I was basically like drifting it right by its mouth, and then it finally bit. There's a lot of fish in this creek. Bluegill, smallmouth, a bunch of micro species too that I could target at some point if I ever want to go for it. But you know, now I don't have to just target hogsuckers. Now I can float down the river and fish with whatever I want. Yep, see that? Yeah, see bluegill. Yeah, I thought I was gonna catch a lot of these. Bark River salute for you, bluegill. Arr, 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 arr. Nice, size 10 Aberdeen hook. And you're gonna catch a lot of little guys. Yeah, got him. Oh, that's not a smallie. All right, well, that works still. I didn't know if I would have caught a fish yet by intermission. This is pretty early. I got here early. But this is where I thought I could get him in this bend. Or at least I've seen him here before. We did it! All right, let's take a break. Let's go see how my quick trip visit went this morning. It's intermission time, people. I'm at quick trip. Here's the deal. I just wanted to thank all the new subscribers. I had a surge of subscribers recently, which is awesome. But all the short videos, that's what most people see of me, are clips from these videos. So if you watch these videos, you get all of this. So yeah. Also, I haven't caught a hogsucker yet, I hope. See this? This is what I like. Regular. By the way, quick trip. I don't like those automated coffee things. I just so much like the other ones better. Those are doo-doo. I get him? Yeah, I did. What do we got? Baby Smallie. Baby Smallie. Baby blue. I'm baby blue. I might want to upsize the whole hook. That is pretty tiny. Alright, we switched stuff up. I have a different rod that says 6-pound mono on it because I'm seeing carp. And, you know, river carp, they're a different kind of animal. And then I also switched to a size 6 Aberdeen hook. And this is a quarter night crawler instead of a red worm. So bigger worm, bigger hook, stronger line, all that jazz. Oh, hey bird. Oh, big carp. Well, not big carp, but a carp. Go for it. Ah, he darted away. Come on, carp. Yep, 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 got him. Yep. Yep. Okay, he's just gonna pull me downriver. Oh, don't get in there. Oh, jeez, don't. Straighten out. Straighten out. Yeah, I saw him come out of the weeds, and then there he was. Alright. No, don't you do it. Yeah, that's your downfall right there. You did it to yourself. Yeah, you did it to yourself. Oh, jeez. Come here. Oh, jeez. All right, I gotta reel a little more. There, now I got him. Yes. Carp in a river are just insane. Yes. Heck yeah. There we go. And you're off. All right. That's so cool. Man, that's fun. Holy. Well, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, no, I'm glad I went onto a bigger size. Look at that. Heck yeah. Let's get a nice release on you, buddy. Should have done a net release. There's something little right there. There, go for it. Yeah. Woo! Bluegill. Nice. Hey. Oh, hey. Hey. Hey, behave yourself. Alright, there you go, buddy. Oh, on. Yes. All right. Yeah. Take me out that way. Not into the cattails, but. Oh, yes. All right. All right. Yeah. Take me out that way. Not like way into him. Are you in the cattails? I don't know. Lily pads. Are you wrapped? Oh, I think I lost them. We're gonna do a little surgery. Oh, yes, yes. No, don't go back. I gotta tighten up a little bit. All right. You're gonna stay out. You're gonna behave. I gotta turn around. No. No. Stop it. Okay. Yeah. I like this better. Come here. I like this better. Come here. Yes! Yes! All right. Dude, that was awesome. Dude, look at this golden beauty. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, that was a good bite. Oh, I got him. Okay, I did get him. I set the hook. Didn't think I had him, but I did. Nice. All right. Oh, there's a smallie right there. Come on. Yeah. Oh. The bluegill took it instead of the smallmouth. No, 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 no. Oh, no. I don't know how I'm gonna get out. Get this bluegill out. There you go. Saved you. Go away. You're a good smallmouth. Wanna wacky rig it? Can you dig it? I want that smallmouth to be my friend. Yep. Yep. Nope. Yeah, wacky rigged it. That's a good smallmouth. No! No! I had him. Oh, he spit the hook. This is like an oxbow. There's a big bow right here. And then sometimes the river, after a while, will cut into the side and break through and make a smaller channel. So oxbow lakes are these U-shaped lakes that they were made by the river doing this. All of a sudden coming through here. Eventually this channel will get deeper and then sediment will form here and all the water will go this way and then you'll have a lake right there. Well, I don't know how big it will be, but that's oxbow is. So I'm gonna take this just to see. Oh, see it? This is a little island. All right. Oh yeah, look, this is a deeper channel. So we're gonna get a little oxbow. This will hook back up with the river in a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go. I link up to the other part of the river right now. Yeah, eventually sediment will pile up on these edges where it's slack water. And when the sediment piles up right there, cut off the whole little bow. And then you got a curvy lake. All right, let's catch one more fish. Think you can do it? Catch one more fish? Because I'm running out of real estate. Let's get it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we got a bluegill or a little smallie. Oh, there we go. We'll end on you, buddy. This hook is way bigger than it's supposed to be, but oh, I didn't do anything bad to you. Let's close the deal with this little bluegill. Bark,